What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. Today I have something very exciting that I want to share with you guys. I've been looking forward to sharing this all week. I've been able to keep it off of Instagram. I've been able to keep it off YouTube. So I'm really excited to talk about it today. So as many of you may know, I've been working as a front-end developer for about 6 months now. My experience so far has been awesome. It's been a lot of fun working for this company. It's a small team, and I've been having a great time working with these guys. But my goal was always to get into more of a full stack role. I knew that long-term what I wanted to do was full stack development, and that front-end alone, while still fun to do, was just not quite as exciting to me. I kind of like to have my hands in everything when it comes to development. I think this comes from like a lot of the projects that I build on my own are full stack projects. I like the idea that working in a more full stack setting and getting my hands into all of these different technologies and languages and things like this not only would be amazing for my career, but it would give me a lot of opportunities to build a lot of things that I would like to build on my own, but I just don't really possess the skill sets yet to do so. So I think that working in a full stack role would kind of give me, a more well-rounded skill set. And I really want to strengthen my back-end skills as well, because I think I'm probably a little bit stronger on the front end than I am on the back end. And I think that strengthening those back-end skills will give me the ability to build a lot cooler stuff. So being that that's kind of where I wanted to see my career go long-term, was more in the direction of full stack. I think that this new position is going to be kind of a great alignment with what both my short and long-term goals are for my career. I'm also really looking forward to getting to learn a lot of different technologies and languages and things like that I just haven't had the opportunity to really learn either on my own or somewhere else that I've worked in the past. I'm looking forward to getting to learn things like React Native and TypeScript. I'm also really looking forward to getting to learn a lot more about Amazon Web Services, or AWS, because at my current company we don't use AWS for anything, and it's just because of the way the structure of our site is set up. But I think that AWS is like super cool, and I know that there's a ton of really incredible things that you can build on these technologies, and so I've wanted to learn them for a long time. But when you learn AWS on your own, you have to be very careful, because you can accidentally end up with a very expensive bill, and I try at all costs to avoid doing that. And I think that it's kind of crazy like how I even ended up in this position. I was actually referred to this position, well, I came across the job listing online, but I knew somebody who worked at the company, somebody who had previously messaged me and inquired about Hack Reactor, and then ended up going to Hack Reactor and ended up working at the company. I think that she graduated from a different campus than me, like a month, I think like a month and a half after I finished Hack Reactor. So and then she ended up working at this company, and then I ended up getting a referral to the company, so that kind of helped bump me up in the application process, I think, as it would anywhere. And then I went through a couple rounds of interviews, did some coding and things like that, and it ended up playing out in my favor, and I received an offer. I think overall the process took a couple weeks, pretty standard interview type stuff. Either way, I wanted to share with you guys this whole huge step forward in my journey. It's kind of crazy that I expected it to take longer to end up in my second role in this industry, and then only 6 months into my career I'm going into my second role, moving from a front-end position to a full stack position, where I'm gonna have the ability to learn so much more and have my hands in so much more stuff, using more modern technologies and learning new languages and things like that. And it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be awesome. So I'm really looking forward to it, and it's all kind of happening super fast, but it's awesome. So my last day at my current company was Friday, and I will be starting my new job this Tuesday. So it's coming up really quick, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to day one, and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please be sure to smash the like button down below. If you're curious to find out how things are going at the new job, be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new content. Until next time, guys.